And this is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com to show you how to play the song I'm a Believer by the Monkees or Smash Mouth. It was written by Neil Diamond originally, but I'm going to show you the basics so anyone will recognize it no matter how you play it. Now, the opening guitar riff starts out with a hammer-on. I'm going to put my first finger on the 3rd fret, 5th string, and 4th string. With my ring finger, I'm going to play the 2nd note by hammering on to the 5th fret on the 5th string. So you can play the 5th string on the 3rd fret, and then slam your ring finger down right up next to the fret, so it makes a nice tone, almost as though you plucked it. Then you're going to pick it up, and with the 1st finger still lying on that, play the 4th string, 3rd fret. Notice my pick hand, I can just leave it on the 4th string, just slide down, play the 5th string, then leave it sitting on the 4th string, ready to go. This minimizes motion and lets you play it a lot faster. This is a good riff to master because you're going to play it in a lot of other classic rock songs, just in different spots on the neck. I'm a Believer is your typical 3-chord rock song, and here's the 3 chords. We're going to play a barred G. First finger goes all the way across the 3rd fret, so you're playing all 6 strings. Pushing it right up against the fret makes it work a lot easier. Your middle finger is going to hit the 3rd string, 4th fret, 1 up from your 1st finger. Your ring finger is going to reach across and get the 5th string on the 5th fret. Again, 3 up from the 1st finger. That's important because this chord will stay the same wherever you move it. And then your pinky is going to go on the 4th string, 5th fret, right underneath the ring finger. The second chord you're going to play in the song is going to be a D chord. But an easy way to get there is play the C chord, which is 1st finger slides over and uses the 5th string. You're going to want to kind of mute the E string. So you're not, if you accidentally hit it, it doesn't ring. I do that with the tip of my 1st finger. So you just kind of slide it over off of it slightly, and then roll your ring finger over onto these 3 strings. 4, 3, 2. Now, my 1st knuckle joint happens to be exactly the right size, that I can make the E string ring too, but that doesn't really matter because you got all the notes of the chord right there. And then for the D chord, this just goes up 2 frets and it's exactly the same fingering. Okay, I lied. It's not just 3 chords, but the 4th chord is so easy it almost didn't bear mentioning. So you're playing the G chord here, slide down 2 frets, and you're playing an F chord, which is the chord at the end of the chorus. I couldn't leave her if I tried. On the chorus, you're going to be changing back and forth between the G chord and the C chord a lot, so I want you to do it like this. Just a gentle rate. You don't even have to pick your middle finger up if you don't want to. Remember, the less you move, the faster you can move it. The G slides down to the F. No need to reposition your finger. To get back to the lick, just move a little bit early. I'm a believer, I couldn't leave her if I tried. You don't really miss that half a beat of chord there if I jump off of it. And if your bass player is still playing, let him hold it. One of the things I love about showing beginners this song is the solo. It's so easy to play. Print out the tab first to make it easier to follow. Basically, we're going to put our hand in 3rd position, meaning your 1st finger is on the 3rd fret. We're going to start playing on the D string, 5th fret, the 4th string, 5th fret. Hit that twice. Once on the 3rd fret, 1st finger. 3 times on that, and then hit it once more. Throwing that 4th fret in with the middle finger every time you go up. And you just play the whole thing again. Second time through, though, we're going to end it a little different. So instead of going back down, we're going to walk it up to the C. Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been I'm a Believer. Don't forget to check the links below for the tabs, the chord chart, and links to other lessons that you might like. Thank you for watching. Love is out to get me.